Hello friends, so we have already seen the squirrel cage rotor. Now let us move on to the slip ring or wound rotor. So slip ring or the wound rotor, as the name suggests, it consists of a different part which is known as slip rings. Okay, so they consist of the slotted armature. Then the rotor is connected in the star winding. It is connected in the star winding, and the open ends of the rotor are connected to the slip rings, and the slip rings are mounted on the brushes. As already I have shown here, I'll be explaining it. First, let us jot down the points. So the first point is it consists of slotted armature. Okay, then the second point to be noted down is that it consists of rotor windings connected in star. There are two types of windings, star and delta. So they are connected in star, and open ends of the star are connected to slip rings. Okay, third point is slip rings are mounted on brushes. Okay, fourth point is that, see, this is the stator winding being shown over here. This is a stator is connected in delta, and this is the rotor winding shown. Rotor is connected in star. So these are the open ends. So these are connected to the slip rings. So these are my slip rings. And slip rings are mounted on the brushes. So these are my brushes. And then from brushes we can connect to the external resistances. We can connect our rotor to the external resistances. So our fourth point is that then slip rings can be connected to the external resistances. Okay, see, so these are the points. This is the sectional view. This is the view of the slip ring rotor. These are the slip rings which can be attached over here. These are the again it has got the slots. A rotor is also having the slots, and on those slots the conductors are placed. The conductors are also placed parallel, skewed. They are also placed over here. The skewed conductors are placed, and the slip rings are placed, and the inner winding is connected in such way that the star is connected to the delta connection, and the delta is connected to the three-phase supply. So we always give supply to the stator. Stator is the part in which we will be giving the supply, the three-phase supply. The three phases R, B and Y. Three phases are there, and three phases are being given to the stator. When the three phases will be given to the stator, then the stator will develop a rotating magnetic field will be developed, which will be now understanding and seeing in the working principle of the induction motor. Okay, so here is the rotor. Rotor is connected in the star. The open ends are connected to the slip rings. Slip rings are mounted on the brushes. Brushes are connected, and through the slip rings we can attach an external resistance over here. So this was the view of the slip ring slip ring rotor, wound rotor. Now there are some advantages over the squirrel cage induction motor. Since the squirrel cage do not contain any brushes, so there are no chances of sparking over there. This is one advantage of squirrel cage induction motor. But the main importance is of slip ring induction motor, because the slip ring rotor, in the slip ring rotor we can add additional resistances through the slip rings. We can add additional resistances in the slip rings, so it provides a speed control. Speed control is very much easy, and it can be provided in the slip ring induction motor only, because in the slip ring rotors the slip rings are there, and through the slip rings we can add additional resistances, and through the additional resistance we can control the speed of the motor. But in the squirrel cage it is not possible. Although the squirrel cage motor provides a high power factor, but the high starting torque is provided in the wound rotors only. A high starting torque, as well as it provides low starting current. We always want low starting current to be flowing, so the low starting current is followed over here, and torque is high over here. Okay, and the main advantage is only that the speed control can be very easily done with the help of this type of rotor. So this type of rotor is applied everywhere where we want the speed control. Okay, in the next lecture we will be studying about the working principle of the three-phase induction motor. Okay, if you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.